I'm going to show you how easy it is to use cream contour. So I have my Seint palette. This is the contour I'm using. It's called Astoria. I'm going to dip the edge of my brush in there and just press it right underneath my cheekbone. Hopefully you can see already that that gives the illusion of a lift because I'm deepening the natural shadow that's already there. That's all I did. That probably took me a second. If I want to give the illusion of a shorter chin, I will put that right on top of my chin. And if I want to sharpen up my jawline, I'm just gonna go right along the jawline. And of course I have to blend all of this in. And if I want the illusion of a shorter forehead, I'll just blend it right up into my hairline. So let me blend that in. I don't have my blush or anything on, but I do have my foundation. And then I'll just blend down onto my neck, anything that's left. And that's all there is to it. Now I can go ahead and add my blush and bronzer if I want to, but just showing you how just a few seconds can give you the look of lifted, sharper cheekbones, sharper jawline, shorter forehead, and chin.